Hello, my name is Amber Nong. Thank you for coming to visit our school today. I want to welcome all parents and students. Bienvenidos, padres y estudiantes. You can go directly to my school webpage, or if you don't know where it is, on the school Century webpage, you can click on faculty. Click on the first letter of my name, click on N, click on Nong Amber when my name come up. Okay, once you are in on Canvas, you will go ahead and choose the class that you are going to. So for the purpose of this one, I'm going to show you geometry, but it should say so on the very top which class you're in. Let's say you're in algebra, it should say algebra. And if you're in college algebra, it should say so, and geometry. You're going to see any date that have for the current school year. So I want to show you at the end of this homepage. This is the course summary. It will show you all the events and all the things, assignment that I create in your class. It will show you right here. So this is another way to get your assignment. This is the second way, but the priority is to click on week 1 and it will take you directly to week 1. You will see the agenda, the objective, task to complete for this week. We list it out for you, and then the details in the activity links or videos. You can get credit for your work, so don't forget to use only your school email. Discussion questions. If you have questions about the unit, you can go ahead and click on here. You may also go to discussion, which is on the very top right here. On the discussion board at this time, I put course Q&A, question and answers. It said, hello student, please post your course question in this discussion posted here. This will be pinned on the top, and I also give you a link to my website where it has all the frequently asked questions. You can click on here to see if your question has already been asked before, and if I see a question that is asked very often, I will also update this page on my website so that you can find your answer there too. Okay, so if you want to post a question to our course, you can go ahead and click reply right here. You're going to scroll down to the extension and enrichment or extra practice. Done with your work early, you can go ahead and click on any of these to work on. To see what your assignment is, you have to click on this button. Don't forget to click. That's it for the calendar side. On grade, really quick, what I want for you to know is that for grading, you will get grades on the assignment in here, but your final grade is always the area. You need to check area. Our class routine each week will be Monday. We will begin with some lesson or instruction to do your math assignment. Tuesday, you're going to do some practice and do some math. Wednesday, more math practice. Thursday, if there is a quiz to check for understanding, you will be taking a quiz. And then Friday, we will be writing some flashcard or take some notes again. So it's cycle back Monday and Friday, note taking. Thank you for visiting. May you have a good night. Gracias por visitar nuestra escuela.